Oh no, man, it's a snapper. Man, you're kidding me. Ah. Good morning, good morning. And it is 6:30 in the morning. The currents are strong, eh? So strong currents out here today. We're at Pukerua Bay in the Wellington region. Capri Coast. Yeah, absolutely. Very nice too, very nice too. So welcome, good morning. So we're at Pukerua Bay on the west coast. So we're just at 6 meters. It was quite a strong current today. So, and we caught barracuda already. Put that back, and we've got a sabiki on this side, which lots of small hooks with small feathers. See if we can catch some live bait. There might be kingfish still this time of year. So they've got Kapiti Island. See in the distance? It's a gorgeous morning. So this is the Kapiti Coast. The sun's coming up. Wow. Magic times. So just on snapper rigs on that side. Pilchards, fresh pilchards. And this is a pen reel and an ugly stick. Okay, right, so we'll see what's on here. Yeah, 2 sharks, mate. Hey! 2 sharks. What are these sharks? Yeah, right. Interesting fish, eh? Interesting one. Interesting shark. Interesting fish. Very strong. Right. See that one, mate? And to get 2 on there. Yeah. So there's a second one here as well. Oops. Pull that one round as well. Get him off the hook. That's nice. He just opened his mouth and let us go. All right, see you, mate. Wow, that's pretty cool. Wow. Oh, maybe I'll put a bigger piece on then. Oh, maybe 1 bigger piece. Yeah. You know when they don't move, you know what they are, eh? Like one of those maybe carpet sharks or... That's what they're called, carpet sharks, eh? No, look. 2 bloody eels, mate. No, 1. What's that underneath it then? Something good. Don't know what it is, but it is something good. Just tie it up so. into something good. Hey. Yeah, that is definitely something good. So yeah, we wonder what that is. I'm into something good, Mark. And hopefully, I mean, if it's a kingy, wow. It's hooked nicely. Yeah, wants a bit more line, don't you, boy? And I was in the middle of my sandwich. Nice. It's not finished yet. Hopefully it's not that big shark or something. I mean, this is winter fishing in New Zealand, so you just don't know. It could be a ray or something like that. You know, but it's something good. Definitely not moving like that. It's a ray. Yeah, that might be a ray. Oh no, man, it's a snapper. Man, you're kidding me. Whoa, man, check out the size of this snapper, I can't believe it. Man, it is a donkey. It is an absolute donkey. Mark! That's breeding stock. So I'm gonna have to I'll catch it, but I'm gonna put it back. Because it's breeding stock. It's just, Marky boy! Big snapper, man! I'm gonna have to. Man, I can't believe it. Check out the size of the thing. Check out the size of that thing. Okay, Mark. Man, I can't believe it. Man, that's a massive fish. Massive fish. Okay. So it wasn't anything like that. I just would never thought it was a snapper. Man, all that. Okay. So man, we got this huge snapper. Okay. Just gonna gaff it. Huge, 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 huge. Huge fish. Huge fish. I mean, just a huge fish, man. It's just a huge fish. I'm gonna see what I can do with. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna get the hook out. This is a big fish. So this is my biggest snapper today. Oh, okay, I got the hook out. Okay, good. Okay. Right now. Right. Unbelievable. So what a big fish to... Okay, so let me just get on there. There's a big fish. A big fish, my personal. So I'm going to measure that one. I just want to measure it. And then I'm putting this one back. So we've got so that will be 82. Oh shit. 84 centimetres. So cracker, absolute cracker, an absolute cracker. So let's just get this beauty back. Let's get him back in the water. Right, mate. Get you back in the water. Go on then. Go on then. Go on. Kick. Yes! What a fish! What a fish! Oh my goodness, that was just a wicked fish, wicked fish. I thought we were onto like a shark or something, or maybe a kingfish, but that was massive. So just so you know, that is breeding stock, so it's not good to keep those fish, you know. If you want to come back and catch other fish, we need those big fish. So, you know, if you ever catch a big fish, really big fish, if you can, just measure and put the thing back. What you need to do sometimes, if they come up, and this is only coming up from 8 meters, but if they're coming up from a depth, sometimes you need to get the air back into the gills, and you do that by pulling them along on the water. So we could have done that, come off the anchor and pulled him along to revive the fish. But no, he kicked away. And that was a wicked fish. Ho-ho! I'm amazed. And just on a bit of pilchard, on a bit of carwai, a nice big piece of carwai. So that's obviously what's going down next. You're going to get another big piece of carwai. Wow, man, amazing, amazing. Wow, biggest. Wow. Yeah, I took a fish again, Mark. Another barracuda! A barracuda! Barracuda. Oh, don't come over there. Yeah. Barracuda on the soft blade. So quite cool on the soft blade. Yeah, nice one. Ooh. Very good. Right, seat forward. Here's a boat ram. And as we come into the reserve here, because of the reef comes up and juts out of the water sometimes. You can see over here and here, and it's just here, so I'll steer out of the way. And the reef just comes right through. The fish must love it. Absolutely love it. And so do the shellfish. It's always a little bit weird when you first get out of the kite, because I mean we've been on the water for like 5 hours. So, okay. Oh. That was really good, eh? Really good. So sometimes you just don't expect much and it all pays off. My PB snapper, so personal best snapper on a day like today. Wow, you wouldn't believe it's winter here in New Zealand, would you? That is magical. All right, so just going to clean up the kayak. So I will do a spiel on how I bring out and set up my kayak in another video. But this is a Viking reload. Yeah. Yeah, what a day. So I'll see you in the next video. How that sun's coming down as well, it's just, yeah. Alright, to the flip.